Writing by Design is a writing program that specifically focuses on teaching teachers how to teach writing. We've created step-by-step lessons for teachers. It's more than just a number of graphic organizers. It takes teachers all the way through the writing process, from the very beginning to the very end. It provides step-by-step lessons in a format that teachers are familiar with, the teach it, do it, share it type format. One of the things when I go into schools that I hear most often from teachers is, I don't know how to teach writing. What I found is that most teachers they all have college educations, they've all been through school, and naturally they're decent writers in and of themselves. But when they sit down and they think, how do I teach this though? There's a gap. Teachers feel comfortable teaching personal narratives. It's easy because most students love to tell their stories. But when it comes to expository writing, which Common Core is now focusing on, that's where we see another big hole, is that teachers aren't sure, how do we bring in all of these different components? And so one of the things that's unique for Writing by Design is that we're really providing across the curriculum for teachers how to teach expository writing well, focusing on MLA format or APA, depending on what they're writing for, what purpose they're writing for. Is it a science essay? Is it a social studies essay? Is it an English language arts? Because all those things are going to change. Our hope is that with Common Core and now with Writing by Design is that students will write like a scientist. They'll write like a historian. University professors expect kids to come in ready to write in these different modes, ready to write in these different settings, and having all of these aspects of formatting perfected. And that's what we're teaching students. The research shows around writing and helping students become advanced writers is that they need to see it in action, not just a sample of another student's work, but that they would actually see the thought process as the teacher goes through and considers what would work here, what doesn't work here, why does this work here, how can I continue to make this better? So teacher modeling is a major component to the program. It includes the 6 traits of writing along with the Common Core. The Common Core by themselves provide teachers with a great framework. It gives you an idea of what an opinion piece should look like, but it doesn't necessarily have things like an engaging beginning or ways to incorporate voice. And that's where the 6 traits of writing come in. The 6 traits of writing gives us strategies to help teachers create those engaging beginnings. So our hope was, when we created this program, it wasn't just that it'd be some lesson plans for teachers to follow and give to students and create great writers out of students. It was that we would teach teachers themselves how to be great writing teachers. And I think that we've seen the success of that in schools. Teachers and schools understand that we're invested not just in a program, but in students and teachers, in success around writing. What really makes Writing by Design successful is the coaching. By providing coaching for schools, it ensures implementation, and a successful implementation. It ensures that teachers continue to use it month to month, that there's dialogue around it, that they're using it as well as can be implemented in their classroom successfully.